Lochane, nasi i-word of the day. Ipangela ehle ngelila igijima. Okutsho ukuthi nanoma ungagowa kangangani empilweni, izinto zakho ziqale phasi, eziqale phasi ziqale phezulu. Kodwa nakho siwazi ukuthi you must keep on showing up for yourself. Lokho kufanele ukuthi ukwenze, uragela phambili ngokukwenza. Awujami ulile uthi naku ngiyalimala. You keep on showing up. Ulila nje kuba uyagijima. Ngoba neqineni akekho umuntu ozokuthi hayi shem beka sebujameni obunzima kakhulu kungakho angakakhoni ukusubmitha ngesikhathi nofana ukwenza ngesikhathi. So ukwazi lokho ukuthi you must show up for yourself every time without failing. Nanoma izulu lina, nanoma kubuhlungu kangangani, you must get up and show up for yourself. Nanoma izinto zingayingandlela, when everything does not make sense, but you must keep on showing up for yourself. So amangoma hloko namhlanje akuphaleli igama. Ipangela ehle ngelila igijima. Siyathokoza.